So hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today in this video I will explain some important dictionary function in Python. In my previous video I already discussed some basic about dictionary, and in previous video I mentioned that you can store any type of data in dictionary. So let's just take one example that today we will store our data in which our key will be integer and our value will be in the form of string. So let's just say our name of dictionary is numbers, and then inside our curly braces let's just have our key as 1, and our value will be 1, again 2, value will be 2, again 3, value will be 3, and here is our dictionary. And let's just type print, and here if we want to find that a particular key is present inside our dictionary or not, we just have to write our key, which is, let's just say, 1 in, and then name of our dictionary, which is numbers. And if I just hit the buttons for the output, you can see here in the output true is printed, which means that yes, 1 is present inside our dictionary. And if I just write 5 here, and if I then again hit the button for the output, you can see false is printed, which means that 5 is not present inside our dictionary. So this is how you can find that if a particular key is present inside our dictionary or not. Now let's just discuss one another function, which is get function, which will let us know that if a particular key is present inside our dictionary or not. But here the difference is, if that key is not present inside our dictionary, we can print whatever we want, which we had mentioned inside the second parameter of the get function. So let me just show you. Here to write the get function, you just have to type our dictionary name, then dot, and then get. And inside the get function, let's just first write our key name as 1. And now let me hit the buttons for the output. You can see the value for it, 1, is printed. So here our 1 is present inside our dictionary, and if I just type 5 here, and if I then again hit the button for the output, none is printed, because here the case is our 5 is not present inside our dictionary. So there is no key which is named as 5 inside our dictionary. And here instead of none, if we want to print anything else, that let's just say we want to print key not found here instead of none. So let's just type comma here, and again in double inverted, let's just say key not found. And if I will again hit the button for the output, see, key not found is printed. So this is how you can use get function in Python. So I hope your concepts regarding it are cleared, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section.